Superperformante D1 is a high-performance hybrid hypercar that was born in 2015 by 3 Italian engineers and a small startup, Aeromeccanica, based in Rome. Created by the integration of the company patents into a single product. The high-sounding name Superperformante wants to be for the car manufacturer and its customers the maximum interpretation of the company's several integration patents to give the driver the top of the performances. This futuristic hypercar is the result of 4 years of study and several patents ranging from aerodynamic design to the use of new technologies, such as an innovative chassis with the technical application of generative design and topological optimization of the structures. Other innovative features, such as the use of multiple surfaces for active aerodynamics, the centered printing of metallic materials by means of ad hoc robots, the absence of welds, the implementation of 360 degrees vision technology, mirrorless, and predictive technology make this project the first example in the world in the automotive motorsport sector. Superperformante D1, the new Italian hypercar, extremization of several aerodynamic concepts, a hybrid power unit, will be a concentrate of technologies implemented on the car to optimize performance and handling both on the track and on the road. The new Italian hypercar will be unveiled at the Geneva 2020 Motor Show. Today all car manufacturers will present the news on their institutional website or with private events. In the D1 Superperformante project, the concept of Italian style of the first supercars in a modern Kia is reworked. The car, currently approved only for the track, will be built on specific customer requests, confirming how this emerging manufacturer, with the presumption of becoming an international brand, it keeps alive the design and the Italian manufacturing spirit, made in Italy, of car manufacturer that creates piece by hand, high-performance cars. Technical data sheet. The Italian D1 car will be powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and two 350 kW electric motors on the front axle, for a total power of over 1,000 horsepower. Stylistically, the new car benefits from a complex system of airflows inside the bodywork which glue the car to the ground through 16 active aerodynamic surfaces and an electronics that controls the angles of attack in acceleration, speed and braking, offering a downforce from 600 to 1,650 kilograms. D1, designed by Davide Angelelli, the car was developed by Aeromeccanica technicians in close contact with eminent Italian engineers who created several iconic series and racing cars. To confirm the supersport attitude, the new D1 will mount a steering wheel derived from those used in Formula One, while the dashboard will be a single LED monitor with touchscreen functions completely reconfigurable by the driver both in the information to be reported and in the graphics. The innovative chassis. A single monolithic structure without joints or welds or screws. The result of studies on generative design, it has been optimized to create a structure reminiscent of organic forms. Each piece will be manufactured using a high-performance special Aerospace Robot, which will use the sintering techniques of metal SLM, LAM. Design and aerodynamics. The overall design that extends the aerodynamics, will have a very low setup and 16 flow deviators that during driving at high speed push the car on the asphalt, increasing its grip, not only, but in braking, as on supersonic aircraft, the active surfaces act as an aerodynamic brake, causing the braking system to undergo less stress. The engine is centrally located, a 4.0-liter biturbo V6 with 550 horsepower, accompanied by a double 350 kW electric unit confirming how much the current mood of hybrid technology for high-performance cars has also been used in this case, to get more sprint and grip on four-wheel drive. 360 degrees omnidirectional panoramic view mirrorless predictive technology, integrated predictive dynamics system, name, site. The car will be implemented by 360 degrees omnidirectional technology, virtual mind wheel 360. the result of one of the manufacturer's patents. In addition to the potential absence of the rear-view mirrors, it will be used, assisted by numerous sensors, GPS and control units, by the central electronic system and the inertial platform of the car to make it super performant, and calibrate for the driver the best conditions of the car at all times during use on the track and on the road. Super Performant D1, the price. As one of the most extreme supercars, the car will have a price related to the manufacture of the product and the technologies that make up the project. Despite having even superior features to well-known Italian and international blazon, the car will have a price of just under €1 million. The first 5 customer receive, if wants, a D1 car and 1% equity. Super Performant company. The typical customer ranges from collectors, to enthusiasts, to gentlemen's drivers, and being a unique and exclusive model, we hope that it will soon become the new Italian icon of sports cars. Thanks for your attention. Please visit our site www.superperformant.com.